Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will tell you how you can easily make cross-out text in WhatsApp. Please friends, put your likes, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, open the WhatsApp app. Then go to the chat section and select the chat where you would like to write the cross-out text. So go to the chat. Then click on the message box, and now on your keyboard you need to go to the characters and symbols section, and then click here again. And you'll need to put on this sign that looks like this line with a little bit of a wave. So first you select this symbol, then you can write your text that you want to enter. Then again, you use the keyboard to select this sign, this symbol. And as you can see, immediately the text looks crossed out. And after that you can safely send the text. As you can see, these signs, they are removed in the message. So you don't have to worry that your message, your text, it will be highlighted with these symbols in the front and in the back. No, it won't. It will just be this kind of crossed out text, this effect. Friends, I really hope you have understood how you can easily make strike-it-through text in WhatsApp. I really hope this information has helped you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.